Hello, it's your girl CG OnTrend, and I'm back today with another video. In this video, I'm going to start a new series, and it's going to be called Instant Wig Saturdays. The first wig that I'm going to show you guys is going to be this headband wig that I'm rocking today. Basically, Instant Wig Saturdays is just going to be quick wigs that you can throw on really quick. It's not going to take a long time to style them, get them prepped. No, it may not be a cutting of the lace. They may just be really, I'm talking about really quick wigs that you can just jump and go. Because I know sometimes Saturdays we don't have time to do our hair. We got to get up and run our errands, but we still want to look cute. So I'm gonna give you some wig ideas that'll help you move a little bit faster on a Saturday morning and just get your day going and still be fabulous. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that now. I'll wait. It's the little subscribe button. It kind of looks like this. Okay, now that you've done that, don't forget to go ahead and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think about my instant wig for the day. All right, and let's get into this instant wig because it's supposed to be instant and not take all day. But anyway, here it is. This headband wig that I'm rocking right now is from the company Luvme Hair. And I'll show you what the box looks like. At the beginning of the video, you saw the contents of the box, but I will definitely go ahead and show you those items again. With this wig, I think this wig probably is this is a human wig, and it is about $120. I think I got a 16-inch in this wig. This is the Kinky straight unit from Luvme Hair, and this wig was priced at $108. I think I had a coupon, so that's pretty much why. And it is 16 inches. So in the box, I received with this headband wig, you get 5 headbands. So I got this little brown one. I have an army fatigue one. I have a floral print one. We also have the infamous cheetah print one, and we got a cute little pink one that is in the same material as this little brown one I have on. I've been wearing this wig for about a week. Anytime that I don't feel like installing one of my lace front units, I go with this one. So basically, I'll take it off and I'll show you how I apply it. But let me show you what else comes in the box. So in the box, you also get a Luvme Hair magazine card. And basically, this just kind of tells you how to care for your wig, FAQs about the wig, and how to use your wig. And if you want to, if you're not happy with it, you can return and refund your wig. And it gives a lot of details. Luvme Hair has been around for a while. So they're a very reputable company. Your wig also comes in a nice little satin bag. You get a wig cap, and this includes 2 wig caps. You also get a little, what I call a makeup bag, because I have other wigs from Luvme Hair, and I love these little things because I use them in my purse for different little items. But inside it comes with a wrap to tie your edges down. If you watch some of my videos, I've used this before. It comes with an elastic band in case you need to add an additional elastic to your wig. You get some Luvme bobby pins. You get a edge brush and comb. You get a Luvme clip that you can just put on the side, you know, one of your wigs if you want to wear it to the side. You get a cute little clip. And you also get a pair of tweezers. They also say Luvme. You also get a pair of tweezers. So that's always good. So they know exactly what to give you with your wigs to make them successful, where you don't have to need anything else but what's in the contents of this box. Okay, so here is the unit, guys. And I have it right now up in a top knot. And I love this style because it's so easy to do. And I'll turn around so that you can see how it looks in the back. And then so this wig is really, really simple to install. And I know I'm going backwards, but I guess that's okay. You'll get my drift. Okay, so I'm gonna take it off. So here the wig, underneath the wig, I simply just have on a brown stocking cap. And I have there's a comb in the front, there's a comb on the right side, and there's a comb on your left side. So basically you can do your baby hairs however you like. You can do some swoops, you don't have to, but you can if you like. And basically what I do, there's also a comb in the back. So the way that I install my headband wigs is I put them on, and then I go ahead and I attach the Velcro straps. And then I take the comb that's in the back and I put it over the strap. So let me show you what that looks like. So here's the band. Here's the band, and I'll turn around and I'll let you see what that looks like. So here's your band. Here's your Velcro. I Velcro it together. I take the comb and I put it underneath there for a more secure hold. So that way you have that. And then any headband that you put around it is going to cover this little edge right here. Don't talk about my kitchen, y'all. I know it's a little junky, but it's okay. But that is how I attach my headband wigs. And then I just take this little part and I flip it over so that you can see my cute little edges that I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this bun down so that you can see. And like I said, this is supposed to be a quick wig Saturday, but just so that y'all know, this wig is quick and it is easy to style. You can also wear it in a cute little pony with one of those headbands, or you can get your own headband and you can simply just put your own headband like so. I'll go ahead and show you some pictures at the end of this video of how I styled this wig. I'll style this wig with 2 ponies at the top, 2 little buns at the top, and I also have worn it bun at the top and the half up, half down style. But I'm gonna go ahead and take it down so that you can see how it looks down, and I'll take this headband off. But like I said, this is a human wig. It is kinky straight. So basically it comes, this texture is amazing. So Luvme Hair, y'all did it with this one. I think this is really cute. If you can see, don't mind the band being a little dirty. That's because of the edge control that I use, but look at the texture of this wig. Just look at it. Oh my God, so cute. So cute. This wig can be curled, it can be straightened, and I do believe that if you wet it, it will go back to its natural state. I have not wet it, so I do not know that to be a fact, but I do believe that it will go back to its natural state. But this is what it looks like down. I mean, you can simply take another headband, put it on, wear it down. Quick wig Saturday. How about that? This is what it looks like. So just for kicks, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like if I was to take my flat iron and go over this unit with my flat iron. I would go ahead and use a heat protectant, so just so that you get just so that you get it to be really straight. And maybe I'll take smaller sections of hair. But this is only if you want to do this. You can flat iron it. I don't really want to flat iron it because I actually like it big, but you can't really tell that I flat ironed it. I don't know if my flat iron hot enough yet, but here's what it looks like flat iron versus, you know, puffy. So I don't know if you can see the difference. Let's see. Okay, can you guys see the difference? It's still kind of puffy up here. It's a little bit flat iron. You probably have to pass it a couple of times, and like I said, if you're on the go and you're trying to just do your hair really quick, you ain't got time to be flat ironing. That's something that you can do the night before. But if you don't want to do that, you can definitely just leave it as is. Another thing you can do is, let me try to wand it and see if we can get a nice little wand curl. Let's try to do that again. We'll go the opposite way. Yeah, I think that's probably what it was. And this is not a special wand curler. This is just a Revlon wand curler. But yeah, see? Now you see what it looks like with some wand. If I wanted, you just kind of get a little, just a little curliness to it. So if you want that look, definitely that's something you could probably do at night, and you can comb those curls out, and then, you know, guess it goes back to normal. But yeah, I actually just like to wear this wig in a top knot, and it doesn't take a long time. You just simply need a scrunchie and some bobby pins, and this makes for a really quick style. I'm sorry y'all, this is kind of messy, but y'all gonna get the point, because again, it's quick wig Saturday. Okay, kind of twist it around a little bit and gives you like a messy top knot. And with this unit, you're gonna have to use bobby pins, because the tighter you twist, it's not going to, oh, there it is, it did stay. Okay, yeah, so lately when I've worn this wig, I've been wearing it and rocking it like this. So it's your choice. It's a quick, easy fix. You don't have to do a lot. It's a headband wig. That's all you have to do. So if you have not gotten on the headband wig train, jump on, because it's moving, okay? These wigs are so easy. They're very efficient. They don't take time to prep or anything. You can just take them out the back and literally shake it, slick your hair down or braid it down, however, whatever you want to do with your natural hair underneath, and attach it, and you're good to go. So that is why I am loving this headband wig from Luvme Hair. So down in the comment section, go ahead and let me know what you guys think of this headband wig. How many do you own? I have 3. Click the link in the description box. I'll leave the link to this unit if you're interested. And like I said, this is a 16-inch, and on me, as you can see, I'll turn around so you can see how long it is, but I'm 5'4", so it comes about, you know, right here to my breast. So yeah, cute. So in the comment section, don't forget to let me know what you think about the wig. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I promise next Saturday's video is going to be a lot quicker than this. All right, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.